Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show several everyday Chinese dishes. To prepare the Sichuan peppers, we will put the peppercorns into a medium-high heat wok. We don't have to put any oil, and just let the Sichuan pepper toast for around 1 minute. Then drop it into a molar or like a heavy-duty cast iron pan, and then just gently crush the Sichuan pepper into flakes. The reason to toast the Sichuan pepper before grinding them is to really make the aroma of the Sichuan pepper release so that we will get extra kick.